classic full brick rancher in one of Southeast Huntsville's most popular neighborhoods. Stroll 1/2 block to the Greenway, which leads to Jones Park, movie theater and Target shopping area. Nearby new Southeast HSV Library Community Center completed soon. Functional floorplan has hardwood floors to all living areas. Kitchen west/Corian counters, formal living and dining room off foyer, family room west/fireplace and vaulted ceiling plus wonderful bonus room west/built-in banquette plus lots of storage. 4 BR/2 tile baths. Master bedroom has hardwoods, large walk-in closet and private sitting room west/views a backyard. 2-car side entry garage plus detached 2-story 2-car garage. Prime location.